Hey guys, if your Windows update keeps failing with error code 8024A000, don't worry. This one is annoying but fixable, and I will walk you through it step by step. This error usually means Windows Update services are stuck, corrupted, or blocked by damaged system files. So we will reset everything cleanly instead of guessing. First, press the Windows key, type services, and open it, then scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click Windows Update, choose Stop, and keep this window open because we will come back to it in a minute. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also called BITS, right-click it and stop it as well. Next, press Windows R, type C:\Windows\software distribution and hit Enter. Select everything inside that folder and delete it. Don't worry, this folder only stores temporary update files and Windows will recreate automatically. If Windows refuses to delete some files, just restart your PC and repeat this step before continuing. Once that's done, go back to Services window and start Windows Update and BITS again. Now let's fix possible system corruption. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Then wait patiently because this can take several minutes. If SFC finds and fixes errors, restart your computer when it finishes. This step is critical, don't skip it. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type disk/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Press Enter and let it complete. This command repairs deeper Windows image issues that SFC can't handle alone. Once that finishes, restart your PC again to apply all repairs properly. Now temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall software if you're using one because some of them block Windows Update silently. After disabling it, go to Settings, then Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If the update starts downloading normally, you have confirmed the issue with either corrupted files or blocked services. If you're still getting the error open, Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and let it apply fixes automatically. It often resets hidden registry issues. At this point, this error should be gone and updates should install normally. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one.